What is prepared by adding a small amount of water to turmeric powder? Adding a small amount of water to turmeric powder creates a thick, semi-solid mixture known as a paste. In scientific experiments, this turmeric paste is often used as a natural pH indicator to detect basic substances. What effect does acid rain have on the pH of river water? In bryophytes and pteridophytes, water is essential for reproduction as it provides the medium for flagellated antherozoids to swim toward the archegonium. This dependence on water is why these plants are often found in moist or damp environments. What is formed when quicklime, calcium oxide, reacts with water? When quicklime, calcium oxide, reacts with water, it undergoes an exothermic reaction to form slaked lime, which is chemically known as calcium hydroxide. This reaction is a classic example of a combination reaction used extensively in the construction industry for whitewashing. What are the water molecules found in salt crystals known as? Water of crystallization refers to water molecules that are chemically combined in a definite ratio within the crystalline structure of a salt. For example, copper sulfate pentahydrate contains 5 molecules of water that contribute to its blue color and crystal shape. Besides humans, what else depends on water for livelihood? Animals and plants require water for vital physiological functions such as photosynthesis, nutrient transport, and temperature regulation. Water serves as the fundamental medium for all biochemical reactions within these living organisms. What percentage of the Earth's water is found in oceans? Approximately 97.25% of the Earth's total water volume is saline water found in the oceans and seas. This massive reservoir is a critical component of the global water cycle and helps regulate the planet's temperature. 65% is a significant underestimate of the actual percentage of saline water on Earth. 100% is incorrect because a small portion of Earth's water exists as freshwater in glaciers and lakes. 2.05% roughly represents the amount of water locked in ice caps, not the oceans. How are sources of water pollution generally classified? Water pollution sources are broadly categorized into natural causes like soil erosion and man-made causes like industrial waste. This classification helps in identifying the origin of pollutants to implement specific control and prevention measures. Chemical and biological refer to the types of pollutants themselves rather than the source category. Surface and groundwater refer to the bodies of water being polluted rather than the sources of pollution. While point and non-point are valid technical classifications, the general classification often begins with natural versus man-made origins. What method separates clay particles from water? Sedimentation is the process where heavier, insoluble particles, like clay, settle at the bottom of a liquid due to gravity. This method is commonly used in water treatment to separate suspended solids from a mixture. Evaporation is used to separate a soluble solid from a liquid by turning the liquid into vapor. Filtration can separate clay, but sedimentation specifically refers to the natural settling process based on density. Decantation is the subsequent step of pouring off the clear liquid after sedimentation has already occurred. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Quotient for more.